Now that the patient is prepped, it is time to start the treatment. On your user interface, select the skin type for your patient. Our patient today is a skin type 3. By selecting skin type 3, it will give us the appropriate amount of energy or fluence to start off with. This number can be adjusted depending upon the skin type and depending upon the treatment. The first part of the treatment is with the large OptiLight handpiece. We move from tragus to tragus across the mid-face and do that 2 times. We're ready for the treatment. We're going to apply our safety goggles and hit our ready button. Before we start a full treatment, we are going to do a test patch to make sure that we have the right settings for our patient. On 3, it is going to be a bright light. 1, 2, 3. We're going to wait up to 5 minutes to see how your skin responds. After we wait up to 5 minutes, we can see that we have appropriate settings for our patient and can continue with a full treatment. Check in with your patient to make sure that they're doing okay. Does everything feel okay?
Yeah, it feels pretty good.
Turn towards me. We have now completed the first pass of the treatment. We are going to repeat that pass. Check in with your patient to make sure that they're continuing to tolerate the treatment. Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
We have now completed the first portion of the treatment. Next, we will set up for the second part of the treatment with the OPT handpiece. In order to do that, we need to remove the large light guide. Unlock the handpiece, remove the gel from the light guide, and pull the light guide out. Now I am inserting the OPT handpiece into the large OptiLight handpiece. Once that is inserted, lock the handpiece back up. Replace the large handpiece in the cradle. Make sure you have a new tip on the OPT handpiece. The disposable tips are found in your treatment kits. Now we are ready for the second portion of the treatment. In order to do the OPT treatment, we need to pair the OPT handpiece to the device. Hit your ready button, hit OK, and hit the yellow button on your OPT handpiece. Wait for the Wi-Fi bubbles on your screen to highlight. Hit your ready button again, and you are now ready for the treatment. We are now ready to do the OPT portion of the OptiLight treatment. Put your glasses on and hit your ready button. We are going to go right underneath the eye shields across to the other side and do that twice. Again, check in with your patient to make sure that they're tolerating the treatment. Are you doing okay? We are going to finish off with the second pass. Hit your standby button. You have now completed an OptiLight treatment.